We named our project Sustainability. Our target group, well, it is the farmers of our country, India. So, our project helps in two sustainable development goals. The first one is no poverty amongst farmers, and the second one, that there is zero hunger, leading to the third, quality education. More income and awareness leads to better quality education. We have various elements in our project. So, our project is basically like a one-stop portal for all the needs of the farmers, starting now.
Marketing facilities. This works in two ways: buying from the farmer or by the farmer. During COVID times, we all know how hard it feels to go shopping and buy our favorite vegetables and fruits. I miss the crunchy Kashmiri apples and fresh salads. The harvest isn't as fresh it used to be, but now we can buy them directly from farmers. This AI helps farmers detect the markets or people who would love their produces in bulk and give them a better price. Interested farmers can directly sell them to customers, no middlemen. People could also choose based on the cost, ratings, and produce given by the farmers. Farmers could buy tools, land, seeds, and in fact rent labor. The AI can detect the cheap and best tools available in the market. Agriculturists and farmers can have one-to-one contact. This AI also can suggest crop systems and cropping pattern. It can suggest crops which are suitable for the location, soil and climate, thus giving crop recommendation when required by farmers, and thus helps to improve the efficiency of cultivation of crops throughout the year. Disguised unemployment is a huge problem in India. It affects the entire economy. This AI can detect the number of people to do a task. All you have to do is enter your field area and the crop. It would provide the labor required and would also show a graph on your savings. Farmers could send labor requests, yes, like friend requests in social media. We also invented something called the Planimal Scanner. This actually identifies the plant or the animal. If there is a disease in them, it shows and suggests home cures. If it's a critical situation, it would also suggest top agriculturists and even veterinarians in that area. If we are successful in making an app for all of these features, then we enter phase 2. Here, we plan on helping the farmers get loans at a very low rate of interest. We also plan on supplying miniature bags which can be connected to your mobile phone, and that it can help you check the mineral content in that sample of soil. Education can change the world. We also plan on suggesting scholarships and best schools for farmers because we want them to be an asset and not a liability to the nation. Who knows, maybe one of them could be the next C.V. Raman or Sarojini Naidu.